Yes, this thing is dead quiet in the exhaust, and that's not acceptable. So what I'm doing tomorrow, installing Corsa. There's the saw right there. Fresh saw blades. We are ready to go. The tips, of course, I had to go with the black tips. We'll go see those in just a second. You can see why. Look how tiny those are. Huge difference from the Z01 1LE. Look, I already got bird poop on it. That's not good. There we went with the black tips. Whew. Yes, that's going to be awesome. That's going to sound nice. And yes, I did go with the valve setup. I don't know if you caught that in there. Let me open this up for you. It is the valve setup, so I can use the factory function of that. I'm super excited for